Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market using news and technical analysis. Today, we're going over the news and chart data for ETHUSD, Ethereum, and the fascinating trends shaping its price. First, let's take a look at the current news surrounding Ethereum. Recent headlines point to a surge in Ethereum's interest fueled by record inflows into spot Ether ETFs and the ETH 3.0 proposal, aiming to improve the network's reliability and scalability. This bullish sentiment appears to be reflected in the chart data, showing a significant price increase in recent days. However, some experts remain cautious, warning that relaxed regulations under the current administration could lead to a chaotic altcoin surge, potentially impacting Ethereum's trajectory. Let's dive into the charts and see if we can identify any key price levels and trends that might give us a clearer picture of where ETHUSD is headed. Looking at the one-day chart for ETHUSD, we see a strong upward trend, with the price steadily increasing over the past few weeks. This bullish momentum is supported by the large volume of trades, indicating a strong interest in the cryptocurrency. The price has broken through several resistance levels, including $2,000 and $2,500, suggesting that the bulls are in control. However, it's important to note that the price has also pulled back from these highs, indicating a potential short-term consolidation phase. Let's zoom in on the recent price action and see if we can identify any key support levels. If we narrow down the one-day chart to the last week's worth of candles, we can see a more clear picture of the recent price action. The price has been consolidating between $2,000 and $2,050, creating a potential range-bound trading opportunity. This consolidation is likely a result of traders taking profits after the recent surge and waiting for a clearer indication of the direction of the market. The volume of trades has also decreased during this period, suggesting that market sentiment is becoming more cautious. The price has tested the lower bound of this range multiple times, indicating that it may be acting as a key support level. If the price falls below this level, we could see a further pullback to the $1,950 level. However, if the price breaks out above the upper bound of the range, we could see a further move upwards to the $2,100 level. Let's switch to the one-hour chart to gain a better understanding of the short-term price action. The one-hour chart provides a closer look at the short-term trends and momentum. The price has been moving in a range between $3,150 and $3,250, indicating a potential short-term consolidation phase. The volume of trades has decreased during this period, suggesting that traders are becoming more cautious. The price has tested the upper bound of this range multiple times, indicating that it may be acting as a resistance level. If the price breaks above this level, we could see a further move upwards to the $3,300 level. However, if the price falls below the lower bound of the range, we could see a further pullback to the $3,100 level. Let's zoom in on the last few hours of trading on the one-hour chart to see if there are any further clues about the direction of the market. Looking at the last 4 hours of trading on the one-hour chart, we can see a clear downward trend. The price has been falling steadily, breaking below the $3,200 level and testing the $3,150 support level. The volume of trades has increased during this period, indicating that traders are actively participating in the market. This downward pressure suggests that the bulls are losing momentum and that a further pullback may be in the works. The price has tested the $3,150 level multiple times, indicating that it may be acting as a key support level. If the price breaks below this level, we could see a further pullback to the $3,100 level. However, if the price bounces off this level, we could see a potential short-term rebound. The 15-minute chart can provide further insights into the very short-term price action and volatility. Let's switch over to the 15-minute chart to get a better sense of the current market sentiment. The 15-minute chart offers a granular view of the market dynamics, revealing short-term trends and volatility. The price has been moving in a range between $3,250 and $3,290, indicating a potential short-term consolidation phase. The volume of trades has decreased during this period, suggesting that traders are becoming more cautious and waiting for a clearer indication of the direction of the market. The price has tested the upper bound of this range multiple times, indicating that it may be acting as a resistance level. If the price breaks above this level, we could see a short-term move upwards to the $3,300 level. However, if the price falls below the lower bound of the range, we could see a short-term pullback to the $3,200 level. In conclusion, the current market sentiment for ETHUSD is somewhat mixed. While the overall trend is still bullish, the recent price action indicates a potential short-term consolidation phase. Key support levels to watch are $3,150 and $3,200, while key resistance levels are $3,250 and $3,300. Traders should be cautious and monitor the market closely to identify potential entry and exit points.